with this special show.
You sure he's a nice guy.
And our first number is the Big Mama from Tadpole. Here we go.
Wish that I was on old Rocky Top down in the Tennessee Hill. Ain't no smog, smoke on Rocky Top, ain't no telephone bill. Once I had a girl on Rocky Top, half belly, other half fat. Wild as a mean, but sweet as soda pop, I still dream about that. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. I've had years of random city life, trapped like a dog in a pen. All I know is it's a pity life can't be simple again. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee.
Hey, Rocky, did they name Rocky Top after you?
Shoot, no. When I was born, my mama took one look at my bald head and said, he looks just like Rocky Top. Of course, I've improved with age.
Like to find the cheese.
Cheese? Did someone say cheese?
Please, are we getting our picture talk?
No, Bubba, we're gonna sing. Folks, these next numbers are dedicated to Giant Wheel Rider, Merry-Go-Round Mary.
And the hot dog ahead.
Folks, Miss Henrietta Hatpin.
Hear that lonesome whippoorwill. He sounds too blue to fly. The midnight
stomp your feet, stomp your hands, 1, 2.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Sat down to eat with Cotton Eye Joe, chicken in the bread pan, scratching out dough. 18 feet of ice and snow, the roof caved in on Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I'd have been married a long time ago if it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe. With a ball-peen hammer and a 2x4, gonna beat the devil out of Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I fell down and stubbed my toe, all because of Cotton Eye Joe. Oh, my guitar, here I go. I'm gonna dance a Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Okay.
Have fun here today, and come back real soon. Howdy, folks. Y'all having a good time?
Of course I'm having a good time.
Gee, this is a wonderland place.
No, Tony. This is a wonderland appeal.
And a Wonderland Placer, too.
Right on. And folks, here's a song about another place that's a different kind of wonderland.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. All my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear a voice in the morning as she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, just take me home down country roads.
Good going there, Rocky.
Gee, thanks, Bubba. But every time I sing that song, I sure do get homesick.
There's no place like a home. Arriva that you roll
Don't miss going up on that giant wheel. What a view!
Ciao, we'll be a seeing.
Hey, did y'all know I went to Rome once?
No.
Yeah, it's true. Back when I was doing a solo act, I met this real nice-looking guy who told me he was going to make me a star.
Oh,
Yeah, and he said he was taking me to Rome. Yeah, I quit my gig and we headed out. Now, folks, did y'all know there's a place called Rome in Georgia?
Hey, what'd you do, Henrietta?
Well, Rocky, I'll tell you just what I told him.
Got along without you before I met you, gonna get along without you now. Gotta find somebody twice as cute, cause you didn't love me anyhow. You ran around with every girl in town, and you never cared if it got me down. You had me worried, always on my guard, but you laughed at me cause I tried too hard. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna get along without you now. Ha! Take your garbage out, big boy. You and that mirror. You broke 3 of them just looking in them. Yeah, you think you're so cute. You've got to tie a pork chop around your neck just to get a Doberman to play with you. Huh. Got along without you before I met you. Gonna get along without you now. Gotta find somebody twice as cute cause you didn't love me anyhow. I lost my money and I lost my pride. Didn't have much money but I really tried. It made you happy when you made me cry. And you broke my heart so I said goodbye. Gonna get along without you now. Hit the road. Gonna get along without you now. Take off. Goodbye. Gonna get along without you now. 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 Gonna get along without you now.
have a great day.
Go ride the log flume. It's the best.
And say howdy to Wonder Bear if you see him.
And don't miss going up on that giant wheel. What a view!
Ciao, we'll be a-seeing you.
Weekend packed, it's early to rise, early in the sack. Thank God I'm a country boy. I set out a life, never did me no harm. Raising me a family, working on a farm. My days are filled with an easy country charm. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got the cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. When the work's all done and the sun's sinking low, I get out my fiddle and I'm rising up the pole. But the kids are asleep, so they keep it kind of low. Thank God I'm a country boy. I'd play Sally Gooden all day if I could, but the Lord and my wife wouldn't take it very good. So I fiddle when I can, and I work when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, the fiddle was my daddy's till the day he died, and he took me by the hand and held me close by his side. He said, live a good life and play the fiddle with pride. And thank God you're a country boy. My daddy taught me young how to hunt and how to whittle. He taught me how to work and put a tune on the fiddle. He taught me how to love and how to give just a little. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy.
Have a ride on the merry-go-round for me.
Yeah, have a real Wonderland kind of day. Hey there, everyone. How you doing? Boys and lady, say howdy to the folks.
Howdy to the folks.
I'm Rocky, and I'd sure like for y'all to meet these musical marvels. Bubba Bunga,
Hey,
Henry Howells,
Just call me Hank, folks.
our Southern Belle, Henrietta Hatpin,
Why, it surely is lovely to see y'all. What?
Antonio Vermicelli,
Buongiorno, spaghetti, fettuccine,
What is he talking about there? Y'all have to excuse Tony, folks. The truth is, he was born in Nebraska.
Oh, but he thinks he's Italian.
It's in the blood, in the mind, in the heart.
But when he sings, he sounds just plain American.
What can I say?
Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Ramblers.
Al dente.
And here comes Mockingbird Hill.
When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses round my windowsill, then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockingbird Hill.
Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Listen to those pretty birds. Say now, is that you, Tony?
Got a three-cornered plow and an acre to till, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a tumble-down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Oh, great bird calls there, Tony.
Sure didn't sound like Italian birds.
Hey, when you finish riding all these great rides here, come on back to see us.